Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Owatos. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and share with your loved ones. So guys, I will be showing you the construction update at Yanoba on the Lagos Badagry Expressway to see the level of works on that section of the road. Presently, there's an ongoing construction of an interchange and a flyover. The interchange is at 90% completion stage, while the flyover is at 80% completion stage. The flyover and the interchange is meant to be completed before the last quarter of this year 2022. So guys, come along with me as I show you the work level at Yanoba. Thanks for watching this video up to this extent. If you love this video, please don't forget to subscribe and share with your loved ones. We'll meet in the next one. Peace.